Hello everyone. Have you been rejected by anyone or disappointed time and time again? Well, today I'm going to talk about a man who was rejected over and over again. Colonel Harlan Sanders, founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken. He took his failures and didn't just make a lemonade. Rather, he showed the world that Sanders is and was the best. Well, if you're new here, I am Nathan Philip and you guys are watching Nicks and Needs. If you wish to be part of this conversation, consider subscribing and mention your comments in the comment box. And don't forget to enable the bell icon so you get notified. So let's get started right away. Sanders was born in 1890 in Henryville. When he was 6 years old, his father passed away and he was the breadwinner for his siblings. In 7th grade, he dropped out school and left home to go to work as a farm worker. At 16, he faked his age to join United States Army. After being honorably discharged a year later, he got hired by the railway as a laborer. However, his job did not last long. He got fired for fighting with a co-worker. While he worked for railway, he studied law and ruined his legal career by getting into another fight. So far, how many times have you heard fired from job or from any assignments? Mention that in the comment box if you remember. Sanders was forced to move back with his mom and get a job selling insurance. And guess what? He got fired for insubordination. By now, you must know what Sanders would do. He would have done everything except this one. That is giving up. Yes, he did not give up. He did not even give a shit about all the bad things which happened to him. In 1920, he founded a ferryboat company. Later, he tried cashing his ferryboat business to create a lamp manufacturing company, and he realized soon that another company already sold a better version of his lamp. Depressing, isn't it? At the age of 40, he began selling chicken dishes in service stations. As he began to advertise his food, an argument with a competitor resulted in a deadly shootout. 4 years later, he bought a motel which burned to the ground along with his restaurant. But determined man rebuilt and ran a new hotel until the World War II. Following the war, he tried to franchise his restaurant. His recipe was rejected 1,009 times before anyone accepted it. Sanders' secret recipe was coined Kentucky Fried Chicken, and quickly it became the talk of the town. After years of failures and misfortunes, Sanders finally hit it big. KFC expanded globally and he sold the company for $2 million. Even today, Sanders remains central in KFC's branding and his face still appears in their logo. At the age of 90, Sanders passed away from pneumonia. At that time, there were around 6,000 KFC locations in 48 countries. According to Forbes, by 2020 July, there were an estimated 22,600 KFC locations in 135 countries with 8.3 billion brand value. Wow, wow and wow! If you're overwhelmed by rejection or discouraged by setbacks, watch this video of Colonel Harlan Sanders. Fired from his multiple jobs, ruined his legal career, and was set back by the Great Depression, fires and World War II. Yet still he created one of the largest and fast food chains in the world. Sanders wouldn't let anything or anyone defeat him. Are you ready to fight and win? If yes, today or tomorrow, success is gonna be yours. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, give us a like and write your comments in the comment box. And if any of your friends need motivation, please don't mind sharing this video with them. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and enable that little bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we publish something. So I will see you soon with another interesting topic. Till then, you guys take care. See ya.